Hello, fellow digital leaders and content creators. As we approach the year 2024, the YouTube landscape is rapidly evolving, presenting both the challenges and opportunities. In this video, we will explore cutting edge strategies that leverage the power of artificial intelligence to help you thrive on YouTube and achieve your goals of personal fulfillment and personal freedom. Harnessing AI for content creation. Creating high quality, engaging content is the cornerstone of a successful YouTube channel. AI can be a powerful ally in streamlining and enhancing your content creation process. AI writing assistants like Jasper can help you generate compelling video scripts, descriptions, and captions, saving you valuable time and effort. Additionally, AI powered video editing tools can automate tedious tasks like color grading, video stabilizations, and even basic video editing, allowing you to focus on the creative aspects of your content. Furthermore, Furthermore, AI can assist with content ideation by analyzing viewer data, identifying popular topics and trends, and suggesting relevant content ideas that resonate with your audience. Optimizing for the YouTube algorithm. In 2024, the YouTube algorithm will become even more sophisticated, prioritizing engaging and relevant content. By leveraging AI, you can optimize your videos for better discoverability and higher viewer retention. AI-powered tools can analyze your video's performance metrics, such as your watch time, viewer engagement, and retention graphs, providing valuable insights into what resonates with your audience. Armed with this data, you can refine your content strategy, thumbnail designs, and video titles to improve visibility and watch time. Moreover, AI driven keyword research and trend analysis can help you identify high potential topics and optimize your video metadata, tags, and descriptions for better search engine visibility. Building an engaged community. Fostering a loyal and engaged community is crucial for long term success on YouTube. AI can help you nurture and grow your community by analyzing viewer comments, sentiments, and interactions. AI powered comment moderation tools can help you quickly identify and respond to valuable comments, fostering meaningful conversations with your audience. Additionally, AI can assist in detecting and filtering out spam, hate speeches, or inappropriate comments, ensuring a positive and safe environment for your community. Furthermore, AI can help you personalize your interaction by providing insights into the viewer's preferences, interests, and behavioral patterns, allowing you to tailor your content and engagement strategies accordingly. Leveraging AI for monetization. As a content creator, monetization is essential for achieving financial freedom. AI can help you maximize your revenue potential on YouTube by identifying and capitalizing on lucrative opportunities. AI driven sponsorship and influencer marketing platforms can help you connect with brands and companies that align with your niche and audience, facilitating mutually beneficial partnership and sponsorship deals. Additionally, AI can assist in optimizing your merchandise and products offerings by analyzing viewer data, suggesting popular designs, and identifying potential product opportunities based on viewers' interests and preferences. Embracing emerging technologies. As we move into 2024, new technologies will continue to shape the YouTube landscape. Staying ahead of the curve and embracing these emerging technologies will be crucial for sustained success. For instance, AI generated content such as virtual influencers or synthetic media could become more prevalent, presenting new opportunities for creative storytelling and audience engagement. Virtual and augmented reality content could also gain traction, allowing you to create immersive experiences for your viewers. AI powered tools for creating and editing virtual reality and augmented reality content could become essential for creators exploring these new frontiers. Moreover, the integration of AI assistants and voice enabled interfaces could revolutionize the way viewers discover and consume content on YouTube, requiring creators to adapt their strategies accordingly. So, As we step into 2024, embracing AI and emerging technologies will be paramount for achieving success on YouTube. By leveraging AI for content creation, algorithm optimization, community building, monetization, and exploring new frontiers, you will be well positioned to captivate your audience, grow your channel, and unlock financial freedom. Remember, the key to sustained success lies in continuous learning, adaptability, and a relentless pursuit of innovation. Stay curious, embrace change, and let AI be your ally in revolutionizing the way you create and share content on YouTube. Together, we can pave the way for a society filled with empowerment, where digital leaders like yourself inspire and empower others through exceptional content and transformative digital experiences. Do post your comment below, writing your experiences of how AI has leveraged your YouTube journey. And don't forget to hit the like and the share button. And please subscribe my channel for more such content. Till then, goodbye and see you in my next video. Thank you.